Welcome to 3 easy snacks. These are simple, delicious things that you can make every day. They're something we make every day for our kids. They're a healthy snack, they're higher in fiber, they are a little bit of a treat, but they're fabulous and so worth trying. First one we're gonna make is one of my favorite, chocolate medjool dates stuffed with almond butter and freeze-dried strawberries. Okay, so we went for the signature taste, super value medjool dates. So these are really delicious, more elegant dates. I would recommend buying medjool if you can. Okay, what's the difference between medjool and a pitted date, David? Well, actually the word medjool actually means large or big, so these are big dates. So literally take the stone out of the middle of them. We're gonna take a small amount of almond butter and just make sure to get it inside and in the middle of it. Take your stuffed medjool date, drop it into dark chocolate, give it a wonderful nice coating. Remove it there. Last and final thing, take a little bit of freeze-dried strawberry and just put it on top. But the beauty about this dessert is that it's based around whole foods largely. There is a little bit of chocolate, but it just turns it into something decadent, something that you look forward to, and doesn't necessarily feel like, oh, I'm eating nuts and fruit again. It's suddenly. And you can actually freeze these. They freeze really, really well as well. And they will last for probably 5 days at least in the fridge, but who are you kidding? You're probably gonna eat them in 3. Okay, second one is an absolute perfect personal favorite of mine. So we've got tahini, which is ground sesame seed. It's just like peanut butter but made with sesame seeds. It's really high in calcium. It's a great one to have in a snack. My personal favorite is to use bananas, but use whatever fruit you like. And it's simply, if you don't like tahini, you could simply use peanut butter, almond butter, but it's to base the majority of your snacks around whole plant food. So here we put some blueberries if you want to dip them in, some raspberries, some strawberries, some sliced apple. I think for the ultimate combination, I like to slice some apple, put a little bit of tahini like this on the top of it, a few blueberries on top, freeze-dried strawberry. Jeez, that's what you'll normally have at home for a snack. But a really healthy snack, packed with calcium, all sorts of different fiber and full of nutrients. So great for you if you've got a family or kids, fantastic snack for them too. The next one is one that we'll do regularly here for meetings, and it's a nice way of kind of making, again, nuts and dried fruit seem a little bit more sensual, a little more tasty, and a little more interesting. Woo! Sensual dried fruit, that sounds good. Okay, so we're simply taking a jar or any kind of a bowl that we're gonna mix things in. We're gonna make a really tasty, simple trail mix. So using whatever nuts and seeds you have, we've got cashews, we've got almonds. Try to mix up the variety of textures here. We've got some pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna pop in. Pumpkin seeds are one of the highest sources of protein in the plant kingdom. They're about 25% protein, so really high. Obviously, they give a nice, fantastic color to it. So we've got almonds, we've got cashews, I've got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I'm gonna go in with a different mix, but I've got a golden raisin and cranberry mix here from Super Value, which is great. Next, then, I think one of the most important things to make it just seem a little bit more indulgent, kind of like the little golden jewels amongst it. Dark chocolate. I've gone with 70% dark chocolate, chop it up into shards, and then finally, just to make this trail mix complete, just give it a good shake. And if you keep your particle size similar, it doesn't mean the chocolate isn't all going to float down the bottom. So beautiful, there you have it, fantastic trail mix. Wonderful to have. You could put for, if you like to snack at your desk, if you like to snack at home. Wonderful for kids if you're just looking for something to feed them that's nice and healthy and easy. And high in fiber. Thanks for watching. Let us know what are your favourite snacks. Or what kind of snacks you like, genuinely. What you snacking day in, day out. Other ones which we do use are obviously like Super Value dark chocolate ice cakes and easy, simple things like that. There's so many different options out there. The thing with snacking is trying to make it as healthy as possible. So do your best with snacking. Let us know what works for you and base it around whole foods if you can. Again, big shout out to Super Value, who've been working with for years, who've really helped us release our products. We now have 40 vegan products in about 1,000 stores, and they really help and hold our hands. So support them if you can. Yeah, that's all across Ireland. Thanks for watching. Cheers.